came to a little Beco das Caixas. It's just a little alley like this. It goes, you can see Gran Lisboa in the background, Gran Lisboa Casino. So we're going to be walking in that direction, and before we do, we'll give you a little idea where we are. We got some little shrines like that right there as well. So let's go check it all out. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Beco de Caixas. So that's going to be our target street. So we're going to walk on that in a minute. Before we do, just a little idea of where we are exactly. Camellia Passanha is the street right here that we're looking at. And we're not going to film that one, but that one is named after a Portuguese poet. So he was here in the 1800s. I think we're going to come up to Victoria, what was previously Victoria Hotel. And then that one will show you where the first hotel that he stayed at. And there's a book that was recently written about him. That I'll recall and tell you about. And before we go down our street, there's this nice little museum about, I think it's like a sculpture. There it is right there. The Luban story. And last time I did Caixas, I walked into this street. I walked into that museum. But today I'm just going to focus on Caixas. So let's go down Caixas Street. Caixas Lane. I think Caixas is boxes in Portuguese, I think. Yeah, it's kind of a nice little narrow alley, but you can see Gran Lisboa Casino straight ahead. So we're going to be walking directly towards that. We have some vegetables. Let's see. And all of this to the left, oh, there's a sewing shop, so you can actually do sewing right there as well. And then to the left is like, it's like 4 shrines. So this will be, oh, it's also Chinese New Year coming up as well. But some of this is for Chinese New Year as well. And they got incense for the shrines as well. Okay. There's more stuff for the shrines there too. And there's a nice shrine that's straight ahead, so we're going to see that in a moment. Huh. That mop is... that's fruit. So we're going to see a shrine in a minute. We got more fruit right here as well. Is that used clothing? No, it's new. You can tell. At first glance, it's a little bit hard to know for sure. So let's check out the shrine real quick. I think that's Guanyin. One has a staff. I need to get more familiar with these. But they'll do the shrine and then they'll you know, do a prayer to intercede on your behalf. Intermissaries, something like that. Huh. I think maybe it's Indonesian, maybe? Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. Got eggs in here. And we got some fruits. You can see the fruits are 25 and 10 and 6. See. So this is basically the little lane that we're at. Caixas. Got some restaurants in here, and you got some shopping in here as well. And we're gonna keep on walking down. Let me see. Huh. I have eaten in this restaurant before. More fruits. So we're actually going to come out to the end, and then at the end we're going to have a marketplace, São Domingos marketplace. So let's head on down that way as well. So this is Caixas Lane, Beco, I think. Beco de Caixas right there. And then we're gonna come out to the end street here. So we're gonna come out to this one. So we just kind of walk down this way. So that was actually Caixas Street. And I just want to show you this Victoria Hotel, which is now Central Hotel. But historically, this is where Camille Pessagna, the Portuguese poet, came in the 1800s. Some other alleys down this way. Yeah, this would have been where Pessagna first stayed. We were going to try to get across the street here. There we go. So we're going to end it. So that was our little alley, lane. And we're just going to walk just a little bit further. But that was actually where Pessagna, we started at Rua de Camille Pessagna Street. Then we're ending kind of near Victoria Central Hotel now. And then we can see that we kind of come out into all kinds of interesting stuff around this area. It's a shrine, and that right there is São Domingos. It says Mercado de São Domingos. So there's a giant market in there. And we're gonna end over by São Domingos. So we'll just bring you up to the ending spot just so you can see how some of these little alleys connect. Smelly tofu. And then we're going to end it once we get up here. So we basically did Caixas Street, but then we were connecting it, giving you some context to where it leads to. And it comes up to Senado Square. Okay, so it looks like they're this is the main tourist drag up here, and they had a big Santa Claus thing. As you can see, Santa Claus is sitting over there. He's gone now, so they're gonna probably replace it with the Chinese New Year thing. So anyways, I guess we're gonna end it. And Caixas Street, our target street, was way down that way on the other side of this Hotel Central, that green one right there. So let's end this one for Caixas Lane 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.